This video will walk you through the steps of assigning a carrier load, meaning this would be assigned to either a company driver or an owner-operator. First thing you'd do is go to Enter New Loads. The Enter New Load screen will come up with three main sections: your bill to, your origin, and your destination. We're going to start by entering in the bill to, which is who's going to get billed for this load. And I can double click there and pull up my list, and we'll go ahead and bill CarMax, and I'll hit select. So now we have our bill to. Over on the right you have options such as bill of lading, PO number, pickup number, customer reference number. Those you can enter in any information that you may have, as little or as much as you want. Origin and destination, just like in bill to, you do have the option to use your list. Or if it's a location you're never going to go to again and you don't want it in your customer list, you can easily just type the information in on the fly. And then next, ship date and delivery date, which are pretty self-explanatory. And the below section is all optional information that you can enter in as much or as little as you want. But once you have the basics in, you would hit Save Order, and you'll notice that activates all the buttons on the right hand side of the screen. Right below Save Order is going to be stops and additional mileage points. This would be where I would add any additional drops or pickups or additional mileage points, and that is a separate video. Below that is ProMiles Lookup. If I click that and I'm integrated with a mileage program, I can take a quick peek at my route and make sure it looks correct. Below that is Apply Revenue. If I click on that, this is going to be what I'm going to bill the customer. So it says Add New Record, yes. If you click on the drop down under Billing Method, you'll have your different methods that you can bill for. So for example, if you bill a customer by miles, you would choose miles. If it's a flat rate, you would choose contract, etc. We'll bill this by miles. You'll notice it grabbed the miles that we had originally ran before, so it put the miles in for us, and we're billing at $1.80 a mile. So that's what this customer would be paying for the load. You can enter as many lines on this screen as you need, so if you need to add a fuel surcharge, you can do that as well. Below revenue is going to be assigning it. So I'm going to click Assign, and I'm going to leave it on single driver because that can be either a owner-operator or a company driver. If I click on the blue here, it's going to pull up my driver list. If I want to look at just company drivers, I could do employee. If I want to look at owner-operators, I can click on leaser, or I can click it on all. And we'll go ahead and assign it to an owner-operator. And as you can see, this shows his default is set up to be paid a percent of revenue, which is 88%. I can quickly choose a payroll driver to show you what that looks like as well. We'll go ahead and choose this one. So you can tell when I chose the payroll driver, it grabbed as defaults, which are miles at 47 cents. I can attach the tractor and also the trailer. If I put a check there, it'll grab the default trailer set up for them. You can also type in on the fly here. So then I would hit Assign, and it's going to show me the trip number, the driver ID, the tractor and trailer to double check. It's going to run the mileage and ask me if I want to print a delivery receipt. And then I can hit Exit, and that trip is considered assigned and dispatched.